Every road tells a story of vision, planning, and engineering. Across Australia, complex highway networks connect cities, industries, and communities, forming the backbone of everyday life. Meet James McKenzie, the Roads and Highway Civil Lead. His responsibility is to transform engineering concepts into practical, safe, and buildable infrastructure solutions. Every morning begins with careful review. Engineering drawings, project schedules, and technical coordination ensure that every decision supports quality, safety, and successful project delivery. Today's project presents a new engineering challenge. Multiple disciplines must work together, balancing design accuracy, construction requirements, and project timelines to achieve the best outcome. Inside Primavera P6, the organizational breakdown structure clearly defines responsibility across the project. Here, James McKenzie is assigned as the Roads and Highway Civil Lead, ensuring technical leadership is aligned with project execution. Careful planning and strong technical leadership become visible in every completed highway, every bridge, and every safe journey. Great infrastructure is built through teamwork, precision, and responsibility. Every professional plays an important role in delivering successful projects. In our next episode, we'll meet another engineering specialist and continue exploring the Primavera P6 organizational breakdown structure. Every project begins with planning. Every responsibility begins with people. Join us in the next episode as we continue building the Primavera P6 enterprise with Daily Dose 24H.
Daily Dose.